Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing distractions and saving progress so the taskbar changes won't interrupt anything. Next, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar. This is where you control visibility. Once there, enable Auto Hide and confirm full-screen apps can take precedence. You do this because many games rely on full-screen focus and Windows may still show overlays. Make sure to note whether you're using multiple displays. The next steps adjust edge behavior for each monitor. Now you refine behavior so the bar genuinely stays hidden during play. You enable auto hide on every monitor and then launch your game in full screen to test. If it appears, switch to exclusive full screen mode in the game's display settings. Also disable show taskbar on all displays when not needed, because pop-ups on a secondary monitor can steal focus. Finally, stop background apps that send notifications. Those are common culprits that force the taskbar to reappear mid-game. You finish by enabling game mode and setting the GPU to allow exclusive full screen when available. This reduces focus conflicts. If the taskbar still shows, restart Explorer. EXE, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, then restart to apply changes immediately. Make sure in-game overlays and chat apps are disabled because they frequently unhide the bar. If it still reappears, the key troubleshooting tip is to mute notifications temporarily and test again. That single change often resolves the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.